Okay, you can tell that I am recording all of my tutorials in one day. So I've got the same clothes on and messy bun hair, whatever's going on here, but we're just knocking it all out. That's how we're going to get these tutorials out to you guys. Okay, I have, this is another macrame piece that I am so excited about. I have this little skinny wall in my house that is just like so skinny and just I can never find the right decor to stick on that wall. So I kind of decided to just create one, obviously, because I have a Glowforge and why not, right? So I created this macrame piece and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. We're using a couple of different tools here today that we haven't used before. So actually just one. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Okay. So let's just start at it. Well, let's make the shape first. Okay. So obviously it's a ton of circles. So let's just get your ellipse tool ready to go. I'm going to make sure that I am just using a stroke. And so I'm going to copy and paste them. And here's my fast way to do this, okay? So I'm going to paste one, paste another one, paste another one. Okay, obviously that does not look so pretty, but the way to get that aligned and perfect really quick is by using your align panel. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to horizontal align center all of it. Maybe I should select them all. What do you guys think? Horizontal align center all of it, and you can see now they're all in one straight line. And then I'm going to go over here and distribute the spacing by using the vertical distribute space. So when I click that, they are perfectly spaced apart. How easy is that? So you can use that for a lot of things. It's actually really useful. So I like that. I'm going to increase the stroke weight a little. Because I kind of like that. Okay, so I'm good with that. I'm going to go ahead and object expand it. And once I do that, I can't edit my shape anymore, okay? Because there's a path all the way around there. But I don't want to edit my shape. I want to do something else. So what I'm going to, so now you can see there's these pieces right here. So we're going to use the shape builder tool. Okay, the shape builder tool is this tool right here. I wonder if I can show it to you. I can't. Okay, so it's like the two circles with a cursor over it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the shape builder tool. Be sure that when you select it, you have whatever piece you want to work on highlighted. So I have all of these circles highlighted, and now you can see as I hover over them, it kind of grays them out. Let's see right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the piece that I want to build a shape with. So I'm going to literally just like draw a line over there. And now you can see that it has basically united those pieces together. I want to do the same thing here because I kind of want to make it look like it's like knotted together. So I'm going to do the same thing here. So I'm going to draw through this way and look at that. So you can kind of see that as I'm kind of drawing through, it is kind of creating its own shape. So there you go. Let me show you guys what that looks like. And there you have it. So look, so basically with that tool, it kind of made that ellipse its own shape right there, and just kind of wherever I dragged it around. So hopefully that makes sense. Okay. And if that doesn't make sense, what I would suggest to do is create a bunch of shapes like this, like that, and get your shape builder tool and just draw around it, or kind of play with it so you can get an idea of what it's doing. See, look at that. Select them all first, and then kind of draw through and see how it works. Like, that's kind of how I figured out how to play with it a little bit more. So once you do that, you'll kind of get an idea of, you know, whatever you want. Okay, so now we just want to do an offset path around the whole thing so that you can cut around it. So what I actually want to do is have this scored. So I'm going to group it together and create a compound path. And you do that by object, path, or object, compound path, and make. Okay, so have that selected. Now I'm going to go to object, path, offset path. I kind of like that at 0.089, so I'm going to go with that. I'm going to change the color to red because I want to make sure I can cut around it. And then you don't have to do this, but I thought it would look, wasn't really sure where I'd put the hanging hole, so I just made one. So let me show you guys how I did that. Really simple. I made it like super tiny. I'm going to do that right in the top, right there. I'm going to add a little circle in between it. I just copied and pasted it, and let's do that really small. And I'm going to highlight just the circles and do a minus front, and then I'm going to highlight the circle and the backer piece, and I'm going to unite them, and that should be good to go. And there you have it. So I plan on hanging my macrame cord at the bottom, and that is going to fit perfectly well in my skinny little corner that I've got in my house. So hope that helped. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.